life, find generosity, tranquility and happiness.
Makuru w'entebe y'okubanza ahabwe cyari cya Bujumbura West Kiza Julius Byakagaba na mukuru w'entebe y'okubanza ahabwe cyari cya Bujumbura East arikumanywa nka Emmanuel Kahwa naija kubahwera hamishango ebirerengeserize eyo kwenda majo obwakondo hamwe na no kweyongera kw'ebihagaro mu kiweka cyabo
ebikorobero gali mazima bibaire bingi muno mu kiweka kino emisango nkugumya tubyagikendeza kandi nkusaba bakiya pasoni bagenzi bange bo tukwataganire hamu n'aba security abahabiyaro hamu n'abasirikale batwaira okulenga kuteka singe omukichweka kino
beine amasikongu okwaho kwa police postage nakwijja kubayamba okurwanisa emishango nkeje
crime rate enyuma hebaireri amani muno gendo kona no burandi Bujumbura East Bujumbura but this time abantu baketerere nduru abakuru batusima the RCC DPC n'abandi abakuru ranti bakora bahuru kusaba kwaitu
OCCID owahoima City Central Police Galdoni Isaac hamwe na n'omwami Ndayishimiye Barnabasi barabura abantu babutosha okosa kurungi police postage okurwanisa emishango n'ebihagaro obwo barukuhereza abibyo kwerinda amakuru agakwatirine na nenkozi z'ebibi.
A country or an environment that is insecure lacks freedom and therefore there wouldn't be development. But here is the church that had offered for us land, a house, accommodation, and a better well-being for the officers. And I believe the officers who are deployed here, they are going to enjoy the best of the church.
Barnabasi yashoborra obwiro bwingi ne bateganisibwa omukuchondoza hamishango etali yemwenemwe abo kugira ngu bamwehombere ebire nagabo ne batina okuhereza amakuru ahabibyo kwerinda.
Even police to do its work, it needs the common person. Me as the OCCID, I cannot go to court before court and I tell them Peter beat James unless if I was there. Okay. For us, we guide, we help in compiling the evidence and presenting it.
DPC wa Hoima City Jime Tumwine yashaba abantu babutosho kwatanisa n'abapolisi police postage kandi barwanise obushomankuzi yashoborra ngo batwire nibatunga emishango nyamwingi eyokushuma okurwa muri Bujumbura bwashesha bwira
tufuna cases muri Bujumbura izo kwiba kwenda amazu y'ikiro bakiba nangwa no kwenda amazu ihangwe simple robberies.
DPC wa Hoima City Jime Tumwine yashoborangu police post agency yatekwaho neja kubahwera na nechuka chona ekyachomboza wade hamwe na nemyanya yetoroireho
police ejite kuza kubane ekora ahahonka chairperson LC2 yabagira ngo ward ya Chomboza erimwe byaro bingahi kumwe na chumwe so kugira ngo police wagitandika haha kukuma abataka around here niko bane kumusinje noko rwana somenye bw'amateka.
Father Dominic Ndugwa ori chancellor wa Hoima Catholic Diocese nawe yashaba abantu babutosha okuja ukirura police postage kandi bagirebe nko mugisho muzare ekirabahwere okurwanisa ebikosi byenkozi zebibi mu kiweka cyabo.
Abayikazi tumazire kuhayo ekirombeko kino kisemerire kuba kwato ekya information, sharing of information, watungira amakuru agakwatana byokwerinda nigetagisa kugabaganiza abandi ijja omanyisa hano.
Gasha kwa gada asaba